Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Ravels, the Daily Trader. It is August 24th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is rebounding a little bit, up 9 cents, 1.12%, closed at 8.10. Post market up 6 cents. Okay, so we are finding support. I would say at $8. We are finding support there. Still have some long wick at the top here. So the stock tried to go up, but then was squished back down. $8 is the new price for now. That is agreed between the buyers and the sellers. Let's see the 1 hour chart. Not much else to see. We had a nice impulse in the morning. Nice impulse on the 1 hour chart. No stochastic over 60, so this impulse was not to be believed. And guess what? It came back down. Coming back on the daily chart, yeah, what can I say? Everything is in the thing. We still have to break this downward resistance right here, this very steep one. So let's see if we can break it or not. If we don't break it, well, 750 is next. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.